Food Safety Modernization Act Produce Safety Rule requires agricultural water be safe and sanitary for its intended use. Farms that are covered under the rule will be required to test their agricultural water for generic E. coli bacteria. Today we're here at the Intervale Community Farm in Burlington to show you how to take a water sample.
Intervale Community Farm is a co-op-owned organic vegetable farm. We have been in business since 1990. We do about 25 acres of diversified organic produce, 90% of which is sold directly to our CSA members.
The Vermont Produce Program is working with fruit and vegetable growers to develop resources to assist growers in taking water samples that meet produce safety rule requirements. First, identify your agricultural water sources and the types of tests you will need.
We are on sandy soil in the Champlain Valley, so we're in a warm location and a dry location, and as a result we spend a lot of time in many summers irrigating our crops. We use the river water for irrigation of our main production field. We do a mix of impact sprinklers, irrigation guns, and drip irrigation off of that river water depending on the needs of the particular crop.
Plan to take water samples during the growing season when you are using your agricultural water. Next, contact a lab that offers the tests you need. To avoid contamination, wear disposable gloves and avoid touching the inside of the sterilized bottle or lid. You may also want to sanitize your water receptacle. The lab will provide a sterilized container and instructions. Ask the lab if they will provide a cooler and ice pack to store your sample. Your sample should stay below 50 degrees Fahrenheit but not frozen during transport. Before taking your sample, label the sterilized container with the information requested from the lab. When sampling a surface water source, such as a river, do not disturb the sediment. When sampling a well or groundwater source, allow the water to run a few minutes or per lab instructions before taking the sample. Do not let the bottle touch any contact point besides the water. Fill the bottle, close the lid, and place the sample in a cooler. The accuracy of a water test is influenced by the amount of time between sampling and processing at the lab, known as hold time. We recommend a maximum 6-hour hold time for the most accurate results. Sample results are typically reported within 24 to 72 hours. If you need assistance understanding your results, talk with the lab or reach out to the Produce Program for additional assistance. Thanks.
You're welcome.